this is the new Xiaomi Photo Pocket printer, and this doesn't even require a cartridge. The photo paper is readily available and doesn't even cost a fortune. Moreover, it has AR, so you can print videos and even attach audio clip to your photos. Wait, let me show you. No doubt, the printer is awesome for what it costs, but with lots of Photo Pocket printer from HP, Canon, Fujifilm, Kodak and Polaroid which costs way upward than 10,000 rupees, is the Xiaomi one even worth buying? And foremost, are Photo Pocket printers worth buying? Well, this is Pratik from techvisor.com and let's find out. So in the box, you get the printer itself, a micro USB cable and 5 sample photo papers. That's nice that you don't have to buy them separately like Fujifilm. Let's keep the other stuff aside and have a look at the printer itself. Straight up, I love the design of Xiaomi products, minimal and to the point. It's made out of TPU and it's almost the size of a 10,000 mAh power bank. Although the Xiaomi Pocket Photo Printer does fit in your pocket, it's quite uncomfortable. Thankfully, you can easily slide it in your jacket or backpack. So there's only one button on the photo printer, which I suppose is the power button. Since this is a Bluetooth printer, it needs to have Bluetooth and a battery, and these are the indicators for that. The printer charges via micro USB. Yeah, micro USB. And this supposedly should be the print outlet. So how do you insert the photo paper? Okay, this thing slides out and here is where you can keep the photo papers. The barcode side should be at the bottom as shown in the picture. But unlike the Fujifilm one, this doesn't have a built-in camera, so obviously you have to send photos from your smartphone. But how do you pair this? Well, you have to use the Mi Home app. But there's an issue. Since this product is only China exclusive, you would have to change the region in the Mi Home app to mainland China. And when you do that, the other devices connected to the Mi Home app, all the data and settings are lost. Do keep that in mind. In the app, you get multiple options to edit, filter, enhance, or even add audio to your photos. My favorite thing is the headshot images, which are basically passport size photos. Now, instead of going to the studio every single time, I can print passport size photos right here, which saves both time and money. Okay, enough talking, let's print something. Now, this one uses zinc paper instead of the cartridges. So the photo paper has all the colors and the printer just heats it accordingly to bring out the image. All the colors are printed at once and there's absolutely no spillage. The colors on the print do look a bit faded and slightly overexposed. Here, have a look at the original and the print side by side. But the good thing is, it takes the standard 2x3-inch zinc papers, so we got ourselves a pack of 20 HP zinc papers for around 500 bucks, so it costs around 25 rupees per print. Long back, I used to print my photos and it costed the same, barring the studio photo quality was much better. You know what? Let's test this with the actual studio photo print and this Fujifilm camera. So we took a portrait from the Pixel 3. The left one is the studio print of it. In the middle, you have the one from the Xiaomi Pocket Photo Printer, and on the right is the same image we took on the Fujifilm Insta-X. Straight off, the photo on the Fujifilm one is more contrasty with dark shadows. It depicts the film look, but it has the least amount of detail. The studio print is the best, with proper color representation and dynamic range. The Xiaomi, however, sort of messed up the blues in the shadows and looks soft, but still, it's good. Another cool thing about the Xiaomi photo printer, as I said in the intro, you can also print videos and record audio on the print. Well, this is how you do it. Head over to the AR photo and you can select a video. Note that the video should be upwards of 3 seconds. However, printing this wasn't a pleasant experience. 6 out of 10 times it didn't work, but this has to do with video compression and it could be fixed with a software update. Once you get it printed, you take the photo and scan through the app and the photo comes to life. Wow. Lastly, the battery life. We printed roughly around 10 to 15 photos until we had to charge the device. So we assume you could print around 20 photos on a single charge. So should you get this? Well, for the price, it's pretty great. If you are an enthusiast like me who likes to print their photos or travel pictures, go get it. It's not for something to show off, but it's for your own nostalgia. And about the Fujifilm Insta-X, I so want to recommend this. The print quality is good and the film look is just awesome. But the smartphone camera clicks better and you can anyways edit the film look. You can get it if you want to experiment with your photography, but the proprietary paper and the case do dig a hole in the pocket. And on that note, this is Prateek signing off. See you soon.